Picked up some saddlebag liners for the old Road Glide. We're going to do a quick install, talk about them real quick. Now, these are off of Amazon. They're fairly cheap, and I'll give you a little bit better video of them. But they've got pockets. You got your little some little elastic bands here. You can hold, you can put a tire pressure gauge in there or something like that. They're not bad looking. I really kind of wanted to get a different brand, that you could get the custom colors, stitching, lining, but they're expensive. These things weren't exactly cheap. Oh, well, I mean, $89. There'll be a link to them in the description below if you guys want to check them out. I purchased them myself, so no sponsorship here or anything like that, but it's going to be nice to have something in there just to... You put something in there. I've had a couple of times where I put a water bottle in there and it got bouncing around and hit the, the bottom, busted open. It was another a can of some kind of drink. Did the same thing. But anyway, so it's a simple install. Now, when they come, they're folded up. And reading one of the reviews on Amazon when I purchased them, somebody said they put them in their saddlebag and they stuffed their saddlebag with some clothes, sweatshirts, something like that, and just left them like that. You can also leave them sitting out in the sun, soften them up a little bit, but they do have a couple of features with Velcro, and they give you all the Velcro attachments, so we're gonna put that in the saddlebag. Now, I had these both sitting in my saddlebags with clothes for the past week, and because I haven't been riding, so we're gonna finish up the install, put these things in place, and it's gonna be simple. I mean, there's really not much more to say about them. I'll get you a little bit more detailed shots of these things in a second. So you can see the saddlebags are empty. What I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna take one of these alcohol swabs here and just clean the inside of the saddlebag just so these Velcro jammies are gonna stick to it just a little bit better, hopefully. And the only other thing to do is to stick them inside. So you can see I've stuck, yeah, that wasn't good. Okay. So you can see I put the Velcro side, attached it to the other piece of Velcro. I'm going to peel off the little stickum here and put it into the bag. And we'll do the same for the front, rear, and side. Now we just finish by tightening up our saddlebags here. And these things are in place. Lid still closes, no problem. Open back up. Now we got some saddlebag liners. That's really it for these for this one. I mean, it's a quick install. Seems to be a fairly decent product for the price, and it's $100 cheaper than other brands that a lot of guys use in the YouTube motorcycle space. Hey, for something like this, I'm gonna save some bucks, $100 to be exact. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys.